Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Cura to design and slice a 3D model. So for that we will at first open our application, which is Cura, which I have installed it earlier, and then we will load our 3D file. So 3D files are called different formatting, but our formatting is STL format. So we will actually load it at first. So we have an 3D model for Eiffel Tower that we're gonna load in our app. So you can see our model got added over here, and then you can actually check our model by clicking the right mouse button and then drag it, so you can see it from different angle. So if you have a look on the stat, so if you click on that object, then it will show us all the stat. It will show you the size actually, and along with that you will also see the size over here, which is 54 millimeter by 54 millimeter by height is 120 millimeter. And the thing is that you can also resize this one. So this is by default 100%, and if you click on the uniform scaling, so if you do it like 200%, everything will go to 100%, all XYZ. Hit enter and you can see it got up. So now this is actually the size got 109, 109, 241. So now it depends on your 3D printer, like how big it can support. Based on that you can print it. You can also also modify it from here, like there is like a rotating, there is like mirroring, and then also support blocker as well. And when you are satisfied with the size and everything, then you have to build the binary code what the 3D printer can actually read. So this is the STL file, and to build the binary code you have to click on the slice, and then it will create the binary code for you. It's slicing right now. So it's basically calculating all the movement of our nozzle. So it says it will take 1 day and 32 minutes, and if you hover on that information icon, it will also show all the information, like which part will take how long time and how much PLA is going to be used for this printing. And then you can actually click on the save to file, and you can actually save this file. It's a .gcode file into your system, and then you can actually grab this G-code file into your SD card and put it into your 3D printer and start printing. So that's how you actually create a binary file. That's it for today. Thank you.